So this is kind of interesting. They're setting up a carnival here in, I think this place is called Tumty Town in Arkansas. It's near, the Rasta banana. That shit is so hilarious. That never stops being funny, does it? So anyway, they're setting up this kind of a fair, and I never get to see these places before they're packed with crazy people, so I thought it might be fun to just have a little walk through and check it out. I kind of want this Rasta Gumby. That's pretty awesome. We got like a dark ride going on here. This device looks terrifying. Do you like lay on your back or your stomach or something? That looks weird. I didn't know they had bumper cars anymore. It's been a very long time since I've been to a fair. I didn't even think they made bumper cars anymore. I thought that was a thing of the past. It's interesting. It's like a semi. The ride is like on a semi truck frame. It looks like. That's pretty neat. All this stuff is modular. Has to come in and out by vehicle. It always fascinates me that in today's day and age, with all the entertainment choices you have, people still come out and pay top dollar for these old rides. Not to mention, I mean, it's got to be pretty expensive to operate these things. I mean, this equipment is very expensive, and it requires a lot of maintenance and a lot of man hours to put it up and take it down and move it around. I'm not gonna lie, a corn dog sounds really good. That sounds pretty awesome. Maybe I need to become a carny. Maybe this is my new course of action in life. This is nice. This is kind of 70s looking. That's pretty very cool. Get that big old barbecue ready. Oh, this is cool, little tractor ride. That's super fun. I've never seen little tractors like this. Look at all these power cables. Can you imagine how much electricity this uses? This must be a giant generator or something. Who knows what it is, but I would imagine the power usage of these things is absolutely off the charts. Check it out, portable roller coaster. Who doesn't want one of these? Get one of these for home use. Kind of lucky that I just happened to roll by here. I'm surprised no one said anything to me yet. Yeah, I could go for a corn dog and like a snow cone. That'd be nice. Pork chop on a stick. That sounds good too. Why not? I've often thought this was kind of a cool gig. It costs quite a bit of money to get started, but to have one of these food cart type, one of these, you know, food vendors here. I mean, they charge an arm and a leg for the food. It's got to be profitable, but you know, hauling this stuff around endlessly probably gets pretty old. Jumbo funnel cakes, nice. All right, all the high quality, healthy foods you and your family need are served right here, along with some giant stuffed animals. Anyway, thought it was interesting to see. Hope you enjoyed.